Hey, Algebra 1 kids, this is Dr. Callahan. We're week 15, Tuesday. I hope you guys are having a great week. So here are your 3 questions for your warm-up block. So go ahead and pause it and answer the following 3 questions. All right, so question number 3, these are the answers to that. So take a look at my answers for A, B, and C, and then take a look at your answers. So as you know, starting tomorrow, which is Wednesday, we're going to be moving on to full distance learning. So there are a few things that you guys need to know of what is to be changed. I'm just going to briefly go over this on MS Teams. You absolutely need to have access to MS Team in order to do this because your assignments will be posted on MS Team and attendance will also be accounted towards MS Team. So first thing to do, and hopefully you can go ahead and see my share here on my MS Team, is go to your Algebra 1 class. Once you are here, you can see that you will have like week 15 Monday's assignment, which is right here. Now, when you go ahead and click on the view assignment, I can, as a teacher, see whether you view this or not. Like, for example, I can see these are the following students that viewed it. So if you viewed it, I can say, okay, you saw it, that's good. And then if you did not view it, well, then you will be marked absent. So make sure you are viewing this. And then once you turn it in, I'll be able to see that you turned the assignments in as well. So once you click on it, this is what you'll see. And the instructions is watch the video, comment, and fill out the guided notes. So this is your video. Make sure you guys click on it. And then watch the video. And if you take a look over here, I always have to have you guys have a comment. And the first one says, make sure to comment with one skill in the video that you are mastering in, along with your name for attendance. And so make sure you are doing that with the comments. That part is critically important. So that needs to be done. So make sure you guys are doing that. So for the most part, that is the biggest change. Oh, so here is your YouTube right here. And so once again, I always have a comment right here that's highlighted that I'm doing right here. Make sure you comment with one skill in the video that you're mastering in, along with your name for attendance. And if you take a look at this part right here, this question will change daily. So that is something new. Other than that, that's basically what you do. Let's go ahead and take a look at your thing for today, which is week 15 Tuesday. And I am going to go ahead and type this in for the assignment as well. So I'm just going to go to my assignment right here. I'm going to go ahead and do create, and you will have an assignment every single day because that's how we're going to be taking attendance and also your grades. So week 15 Tuesday. And the topic of today is going to be shading inequalities. Okay. And your instruction is to go ahead and watch the video, comment on reflection, and include name. Fill out your guided notes for week 15 Tuesday. Okay, it's going to be out of 10 points. And it is going to be due on Tuesday by 11:59. Keep in mind that your attendance is going to be due when your class is over. So I have you guys for first period. So your attendance is due by the end of first period because that's when I'm going to take attendance. So if you don't have the assignments done, or if you haven't checked in with me by that time, that is going to be problematic because I might mark you absent. So if you're not sure what the attendance is for the online days, let me go ahead and show you guys. Hold on a second. That apparently disappeared. Here we go. Edit. Copy. Let me make sure this is saved. And I'm going to post it to you guys. I want to make sure I have this for everyone as well. And so you guys are Algebra 1, so here you are. And so you have to check in with me and do the attendance and view the assignment, watch the video, and comment by the end of first period. So this is the distance learning schedule. So if you guys go ahead and take a look at this, you can see that, okay, it's not gonna pop up a little bit bigger. Fine, be difficult. Let's see. But you can still kind of see it here. Your first period starts from 8:30, ends at 9:15. So you need to be done by 9:15 because that's when we'll be taking attendance. If you haven't checked in with me by 9:15, I might mark you absent. And in which case, if you did it, let's say at 9:30, just send me an email at in.callahan@marshallschools.net, and I'll be more than happy to go ahead and send or update your attendance. So this is the schedule from now on, Monday through Friday. Starting this Wednesday, there's no more early releases. So just make sure you guys do that. All right, you guys. So I think we're now ready to kind of go back to this. So let's go ahead and move on with today's stuff. First thing I want you guys to do is take a look at your guided notes for week 15 Tuesday. It is going to be on your brand new packet. Now, if you have not accessed the packet because I haven't seen you guys yet, or if you have been absent all this time, you can also access it on the MS team. So let me just show you where it is. So here is the MS team. And if you guys just go to week 15 Monday, I went ahead and uploaded right here, week 15 to 17 into the semester packet. And so it's going to be for week 15, 16, and 17. So I will be passing that out in class today. But if for some reason you don't have access to it, because tomorrow is really the last day I will see you guys, which is Tuesday, you are welcome to click on this and then just print it out. Or you can email me and I can go ahead and send you another one. Or what you can do is you can also come to campus either on Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday and then pick it up from me. And so just let me know because I will be on campus. All right, so take a look at your first page, which is right here, week 15 Tuesday. So we'll be going through this today. Here is your second page, third page, and fourth page. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and just jump in and get started. All right, this is the breakdown for today. So take a look. You're going to be graphing and shading linear inequalities. You will need to have a ruler and then 2 markers. We're going to go over some video notes with 6 example testing if a point is on a graph as well today. That's part of your guided notes. And then you have an algebra puzzle. It says, why was the baby cookie sad? All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and turn over to this page right here. All right, so first thing I want you guys to do is with your pencil, go ahead and circle all of the questions that are true because some of them are false. I just want to see you guys if you know your inequalities. So pause the video and circle all the ones that are true. All right, let's take a look. 6 is bigger than 5. -4 is smaller than -2. 8 is less than 10. And 10 is greater than 9. So those are all the true ones. Now, the one that I did not circle or box, those are the ones that are false. All right, just a quick little refresher on this because this is not the first time we've seen this. Just remember, if your inequality is eating the letter Y, like the first one, you are going to have a dashed line or a dotted line, and you shade above, okay? On the other hand, if it is not eating the letter Y, it is a dashed line because there's no equal sign there, and it is below like this. If it is eating the letter Y with the equal sign right here, it is a solid line shading above like this one right here in blue. And again, if it's not eating the letter Y but has an equal sign, it is a solid line, but you shade below like this one right here. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the first one. First equation, you have Y is greater than 3. So if you look at it, first thing you should notice is that it's an open circle. It's eating the Y, so you are going to shade above. Now on a number line, if this is your 3, it is going to be an open circle, and it is going to be shading to the right, like that, open circle to the right. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the inequality. So with this one, remember you always start at negative or positive 2, the last number here. So positive 2. And then you look in front of the x, which is a 1 over 1. And that means you're going to go down 1 over to the right 1. So down 1 to the right 1, down 1 to the right 1, down 1 to the right, down 1 to the right, down 1 to the right, down 1 to the right. And there's no equal sign, so it is a dotted line. And you are going to shade, because it's eating the letter Y, you're going to shade above. So draw your dotted lines. Oh, you know what? I'm so sorry. I don't know why I decided to do down 1 over 1 because it's a positive duh. So you go up 1 over 1. Sorry. So up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, dotted line. And you shade above. I'm just going to put my little rainbow up there, so it's going to be above. Like that. You don't have to draw a rainbow, you can just shade it. All right, let's take a look at question number 2. With question number 2, if I were to go ahead and graph this inequality on a number line, I will find number 2, solid dot, okay? And because it's not eating letter Y, you are going to shade over to the left side, like that. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the inequality here, where you're going to be shading it, okay? So we are going to start off at -1 right here. Take a look at the number in front of the x. It's a positive 2, so go up 2 over to the right 3, up 2 over to the right 3, up 2 over to the right 3, up 2 over to the right 3. I'm running out of space, so you can actually go down 2 to the left 3, down 2 to the left 3, down 2 to the left 3, like that. And because there's an equal sign right there, it is going to be a solid line. And it's not eating the letter Y, so you're going to shade below. So solid line, shade below, like that. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at question number 3. With question number 3, take a look at your inequality that we're going to go ahead and graph on the number line first. Notice that at -1, it is going to be a solid dot, and then also because it's eating the letter Y, you are going to be shading to the right. Now take a moment and go ahead and answer the inequality on the right side and see what you have. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this one here. So you are going to go ahead and start off with the positive 3. And again, we're focusing on this example right here. So you're going to start off with a positive 3. And at 3, you're going to put a dot right here. Then take a look at your number in front of the x. It's a -2, so you're going to go down 2 over to the right 3. So down 2 over to the right 3, down 2 to the right 3. 1, 2, 3, whoops, skipped 1. You can go up 2 over to the left 3. It is going to be a solid line, and because it's eating the letter Y, you're going to shade above. Solid line, shade above. All right, let's go and take a look at the next one here. So looking at number 4, we're going to go ahead and take a look at this inequality. And this inequality says that at -1, it is going to be an open circle. Open circle, and because it's not eating the letter Y, you're going to go ahead and shade to the left. Okay, like that. Now, go ahead and pause the video, and I would like you guys to give this one a try right here. So go ahead and grab that inequality. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at question number 4, okay? So this one, you're going to start off at number 3, so a +3 right here. And then if you look at number in front of the x, it's going down 1 over to the right 2. So down 1 to the right 2, down 1 to the right 2, down 1 to the right 2. If you run out of space, you can go up 1 to the left 2, up 1 to the left 2. And because there's the equal sign like that, it is a solid line. And also because it's eating the letter Y, you're going to shade above like that. All right, you guys, those are your 4 questions. And now what I would like you guys to do is to turn over to this page right here. And we're going to go ahead and follow this on a video. So make sure you guys get to that one right there. And I'm going to start the video right now. Okay, so make sure I share this. Make sure you guys follow along with this on your guided notes. All right, you guys. So that should be done with your guided notes. And let's go back to this part here. Okay. So you should have completed all your guided notes, which is going to be on this page right here. Right here. So the 6 examples should be done. So now what I want you guys to do is go ahead and utilize what you just went over with the videos to go ahead and answer the following question. Why was the baby cookie sad? And if you take a look at question number 1, 3x plus y equals 7, which one of these answers will make 3x plus y equal 7? And then just write your answer on the very bottom. All right. Well, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I hope stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.